Hello YouTube, this is Henbasket, and I'm going to be unboxing the Gentex Commander 5 alarms. I want to have a thank you to JMax Supply for having these. And I'm not sponsored, they're really good, and you don't need to be a part of a company to order from them, so that's awesome. Anyway, let's get to it. That one. Got two. And then cut three. Let's do this. Get this out. There we go. This is the white one. As you can see, it's a GHSW for wall and ceiling, Commander 5. And this is the red one. And I'll be back in just a moment. Alright, now let's open this box. Open that up. Here we have the test thing. The data sheet. I will need to scan this. Here we have the mounting bracket. And here's the alarm. You can see there's a bit of reflectors on top of the lens, much like other ones. And just a moment. Need to grab a small screwdriver. Okay. I think you just can do this. Oh, alright. That might make things slightly easier. There we go on that. A little voice crack. And there we go on that. Here's what it looks like. Here. You can see the Candela selection switch there. And the tone selection here. There's only 4. This might be... Yep, it's 2-wire. Which makes sense. Hardly anything is 4-wire now. Anyways, I will be back later with a tone demonstration video on this. Now, to get this uploaded. Henbasket signing off.